Hi friends, in this video we will see the different options or different modification of the line plus symbol plot. This is the most widely used two-dimensional plot, that is the line plus symbol plot. So we will see how to modify or how to make it more beautiful and more attractive. So for that I had selected a data here, x and y data. You can select your own x and y axis, and the data are displayed here. Here I have only 6 data points. So data points can vary and x and y axis can vary. Now let's plot this using the line plus symbol option. For line plus symbol option, go to the third option in the taskbar. Select that and there you have the line plus symbol option. So select that, then you will get the line plus symbol plot. Here these are the data points and these data points are connected by lines. So this is the x-axis, y-axis naming is there. You can modify the axis and the plot, or you can choose a template. You can save a template and use that template. All that options I had done in a previous video. You can check out. Now we will check out how to change or how to modify this plot. Plot in the sense the line and the symbols in the plot. So for that, click onto the graph, anywhere in the graph, give a double click, then a window will be displayed. Alright, so let's make it small so that it will be visible. Okay, this is the window. So in this window, this is the symbol that we used. So it's displayed that this is the symbol we used. So let's check how to change the symbol. So click on to this drop down button over here. So you have many different kinds of symbols to be displayed there. It can be circles, solid circle, then check by applying. So it's circle now. You can increase the size from here. It is 9. Default it is 9. Let's make it say 15 and apply it. So our symbols are bigger now. Now check out some other symbols here, or you can select a star. This is a solid star, or you can select a background star. So these are the different symbols. You have different, I should say there are many, in fact many symbols here. You can select any of the symbol to modify the graph. Now here this is the edge color and the fill color. You have two options here, edge color and fill color. You can change the edge color from this one. Use individual color option here, then change the edge color. Apply it. Now there we have the blue stars and the inside its filling is empty. Let's change that too. So you have beautiful stars there with blue outline and yellow filling. So these are different options. Blue, let's change it to say green. So these are different floating options for the symbols. Now edge thickness can also be changed. Here the edge thickness is set as default. Let's change it and check. So that's so tiny we cannot see the edge there. So let's make it more bigger. See that now edge is so big that filling is invisible. Alright, these are the different options to change the symbol and their color and thickness and also size. Now we can make the lines bold. Now the symbols are so big that lines are almost invisible. So let's change the size of the line by clicking on the option line. There we have width as 0.5. It's the default width. Let's change it to 3 or so. Now we have black dark lines connecting these points. let's change the color to, let's make it red. So here we have red lines connected to the green stars which are filled with pink. So you can make your own creations here. So here the transparency and all that, you can change all these options over here. Now the next option is drop line. Here we can use the drop line option so that a line will be drawn to the x-axis or to the y-axis from these data points. So this is here we have horizontal as well as vertical drop line. Click onto the vertical drop line. Auto color is green, let's make it black. Now click on to apply. Now we have a vertical drop line from the data points. Alright, let's this is a solid line. Let's make it a dashed line. So here it's a vertical drop line from the data point. Similarly, we can create horizontal drop lines. This, apply it. Let's change it to dash again or dot. So you have a horizontal drop line and a vertical drop line. You can change the thickness of these drop lines from here. Okay, this is the horizontal and vertical drop lines that is created. Now something else is missing. We have the horizontal drop line, vertical drop line, beautiful points, beautiful lines and all that. But from the graph, we are not able to identify the data points or the position of the data points. So we have one more option here, that is the label. So now label is disabled. So click on check the checkbox. Click on to the checkbox so that the labeling is done. Now click on to apply. Now you can see that across each data point you have the corresponding value. So 23.24, 24.61, these are in the size. This is the y-axis, actually y-axis, nanometer of the y-axis. So you can change that options from here. Label form is by default it is y-axis. You can change to x-axis, apply. So this is the x-axis points, or let's keep it in y-axis also. Now the size can be varied from here. Now you can make it bold. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the position and all that from this particular window. So this is how you will modify the graph. Now click on to OK, and this is the graph. Now from here also you can change the position of this labeling. Just click on that labeling and drag that so that it will be easily moved to a comfortable position. So make all the necessary arrangements in the graph. Let's close this graph again, that is go to title and formats and then go to top, close the axis. At the top you don't want any ticks or labels, so click on to none. Then to right also we need the axis and format axis. Click on to none. Now the plot is closed. You can change all the options over here. So let's make it bold. Right, it's already bold. Now what? Oh, bottom. So for the bottom also, let's make it bold. Alright, now how is our graph?